welcome back to the next part of Ken Games on Monkey Island 2. As you can see still, new software for the webcam, blotting out the shit. And at least I can use that in this program. I'm not sure I can use it in the other programs, but, you know, when I use this one, you'll know. So, we're continuing, and we need the poster thing. This one, leaflet. We're gonna use it with this one. Ta-ta! Wanted Guybrush. So, well, I don't know. We need to go somewhere so that she gets in trouble. Walk to the left path and the guard will appear. Well, that's this way then, right? Well, let's just do it. I just wish he'd walk a little faster, you know. Here we go. So, that's the girl with the leaflet.
Excuse me. Aren't you Guybrush Threepwood?
No, my name is Kate Capsize. You must have me confused with someone else.
Kate, eh? That's an unusual name.
Yep.
Perhaps you have some identification.
My ID is on my ship. Wait here while I go and get it.
Nice try, Guybrush. I don't know how you got out of the jail, but I'm taking you back in.
So, now we go back here, and we go to the jail, and we pick her stuff.
Who is this Peepwind character anyway? I'll figure a way out of here. They can't keep me locked up.
I know.
They can't keep me locked up.
Use the small key in the cell door. Get the
I'll
vanilla.
figure a way out of here.
Yeah.
They can't keep me locked up. Who is this Peepwind character anyway?
Well, let's lock her out. Here you
Hey!
go.
Uh-oh. I can explain.
Thanks for letting me out of there. You'll have to excuse me if I don't stick around. I've got to find out who framed me.
Well, I couldn't let her be in there, you know. That wouldn't be nice. So, we need to go to Booty Island now. Dread ship, Booty Island.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Booty Island, man. So, let's just check out what we need to do for the next part. Right now I know what to do. We need to take revenge on old Stan. You know, the guy who sold us the ship on Monkey Island 1. That's not the place. Back out.
Check it out.
She's back here.
Sunken galleons.
We need to enter here.
Sightseeing.
Here we go.
Sunken galleons.
Come on, open door, enter.
Howdy!
Stan, remember the guy?
Welcome to Stan's previously owned coffins. We handle the dead for a lot less bread. What are you looking for, son?
Anyway.
Need a bin for your next of kin?
No.
Want a family plot without spending a lot? You're in luck. Just look at all this quality merchandise. Never before touched by a living soul. Most of it used only for a few hours. Premature burial,
takes it
you
back
know.
again.
That sort of thing. Well, speak up.
Half off is
Or are you
probably
dead?
a used
Either
coffin.
way, you came to the right place.
I know. I'm looking for a good used
I'm looking
coffin.
for a good used coffin.
Amazing. When you first walked in here, I said, Now there's a guy who needs a good used coffin. There happens to be an excellent deal right behind you. Let's go take a
Did you
look-see.
just take a measurement of me?
Now this here is the Cadillac of coffins. Look at all that leg room. There's
Well,
room in
time
there
to
for
take
Long
our
John
revenge.
Silver himself. Here, let me get in and show you. Yes,
that.
a man can really rest in peace and comfort with one of these. Why should a man's coffin be any smaller than his bunk at sea? I could spend a lot of time in a coffin like this.
Yeah, you're going to.
Can I show you anything else?
Well, no. Could you show me that
Could you
coffin
show me
again?
that coffin again?
Alrighty. Look at how freely I can wiggle my toes. This thing's bigger than my kitchen. You know, a person's coffin should reflect their station in life. I almost forgot. I wanted you to have this complimentary hanky.
Okay,
Just
thank
my
you.
way of saying, I care. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah. If you're thinking about one of those cheaper models,
No.
first ask yourself,
Sure. Try out the lid operation. It's just as roomy closed.
Now we need...
can I show you
Come
anything
on!
else?
Yes, the coffin?
Could you show me that coffin again?
He needs to get in it
Hey,
and we'll
anything you
hammer it
say.
with nails.
This is truly the casket of captains. When you've spent your life on something as big as the ocean,
But it's open.
It's just as roomy closed. Here, let me show you. See? There's enough room in here for
Here
a
we go.
pirate and his parrot.
Now we're nailing that
Please
down
join me.
so he can't
There's
get up
room
again.
for both of us. I hear you knocking up there. That's solid oak you're hearing.
Let's
Yes,
take
it
his key.
Sure is nice in here. Hey, I think the lid's stuck. Excuse me, friend. Could you see if the clasp is closed on this thing?
Wow.
I seem to be stuck.
I know you
Hello? Is anybody out there?
Revenge is a dish
Help! I can't
best
get out of
served
here.
cold.
Okay, a joke's a joke. But get me out of here! Open this coffin right now. Out
Bye!
there?
No.
Hello?
Sightseeing. Check it out.
So, yeah.
Glass bottom
Next
boat.
point order.
Great day for spitting.
So,
Just look at this juicy crowd.
it's time for a spitting contest.
Step up to the line and test your swill.
I'll give it a try.
A volunteer.
Yeah, of
All
course.
right, settle down, folks. This kid looks like a serious contender. What's your name, boy?
Spitmaster 5000. They call me Honkaloogie.
I am, of course, Captain
Captain
Loogie.
Loogie.
The Lukester. Lugorama. Hawking the big ones for fame and fortune. Spit away.
Well,
Come on, Captain Loogie!
Misfire, misfire. Everybody run. Gee, that's too bad, Captain. Let's give him a big hand anyway, folks. At least he tried.
yeah, let's
Even a child can do it.
get some
In fact,
crazy
they
straw
do it
with
very
this.
well.
Boy, this stuff makes my spit thick.
Come on! It's all paid for by Booty Island Parks and Rec. Just put your two lips together and blow.
So now, let's try this again.
Captain Loogie is in the house. Spit away!
Pooey.
What's this? A
Here we go.
surprise turnaround in performance? Looks like third place. I think that deserves a little applause. Too bad there are only prizes for first place.
Oh.
Better luck next time.
Well, we gotta do something with the flags then, right?
Now, how about the rest of you? Are you pirates or not? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Use the ship horn.
Come on,
and then
let's
we...
expectorate. Everybody already has the necessary equipment. Turn a disgusting habit into a prestige-winning skill.
See, here we
False
go.
alarm. As I was saying,
Now.
don't let this grass wither up and die. What was that? Did I hear somebody swallow? What a waste. Thousands will spit. Hundreds will win. No volunteers.
So-
if Blackbeard were here, he'd shoot you all right now.
Yeah. So as soon as
Captain Loogie
this
is in the
thingy
house.
blows. Not now.
Spit away.
Spit? That's gross. I'm out of here.
Come on, Captain Loogie.
Ooh, no. Dry tongue at the last minute.
First we gotta take.
Well, what about you folks?
Come on.
Come on, don't be shy. Let it fly. I know you want to volunteer.
Boy, this stuff makes my spit thick.
Okay.
You think spitting is gross?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what's gross. Swallowing that stuff is gross.
Soon as her your red scarf blows,
Prove to me that
I
you
will,
guys are at least as fun as a pack of llamas.
Yeah. Come on, Rasu.
I hear there's some scouts here from the pro spitting circuit. Ooh.
I'm not looking for a fight.
This may be your last chance at popularity
I
and
know.
success. Captain Loogie is in the house. Spit away!
Woo! Let's go!
Spit. Come on.
He's cleared
Here we
first
go!
place. That was truly awe-inspiring.
I know.
Sports fans, we've seen something incredible here today. Let me congratulate you and give you this fine commemorative plaque.
Thank you.
I salute you, Captain Loogie. Come on, let's give him a hand. Of course, there are plenty more prizes for the rest of you. So how about it, gang? Come on, it's all paid for by Booty Island Parks and Rec.
So now we're gonna
2,
use
4,
to the
6,
cliff.
8.
Go to the cliff. So where's the cliff? Cliff. Here we go. And now we use the fishing pole, the grub piece. If that's where it is right now, let's get it. Let's get it on. Dee, 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 dee. It is mine. It is mine. It's what the hell? No, a seagull took my map piece. What the hell? Okay, so
Dang.
means we gotta, go up to the big tree and start using the planks. Here we go. Use plank. Use plank.
It's already in use.
So, I need to take the plank here, and he's gonna do the rest. Use plank.
It's already in use.
Pick up this one until he gets it, and he'll do it himself.
I think I get the idea.
Yeah. So now we're up here. Righty-ho. And yeah. So we need the telescope up here. Pick that up. For once. I think I need to enter this room here. Yeah, here we go. Now what do I do in here? Just wait a second. Okay. So this is the part where we use the dog. Because he knows.
It's crazy, but it just might work.
Eleanor, stuff.
Hello? Little Guybrush. Good boy! Run along home now. Now that's a good dog. All right, I got the first map piece.
So, that's how we do it. Anything else up here? Wait a second. Okay, it seems like we need to go to Fat Island. The red ship. Sometime, I think there's gonna be a cutscene coming again soon. I don't know.
Where'd you want to go?
I want to go to Fat Island.
Deep inside
Yeah.
LeChuck's fortress.
Yarr.
LeChuck, sir, I regret to report that Guybrush has found one of the map pieces to Big Whoop.
You will regret it a lot more if he finds another. Stop him at any cost. But remember, I want him alive.
Yes, sir. Creep.
So now I am at Fat Island. Good. Well, I need to go to the top waterfall. Goody goody goody. Goody goody gumdrops. Goody goody gumdrops. Come on, get a move on, Guybrush. We haven't got all day. Waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. Waterfall. Cause we got a monkey wrench. A monkey wrench? Up here. The bones, the bones, the bones. Deep, 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 deep. And here we use our monkey wrench. Use Jojo. Ah ha ha. Monkey wrench. Ta-da! Monkey wrench. Now you know why it's called a monkey wrench. So, we need to go this way now, I think. Or this one. I don't know. Okay. So, okay. Go back down. Guess we can go in here. Them bones, them bones, them bones. What the? Walking through a tunnel. Oh, now we can get up to the cottage. And open door. Here we need to be looking for a map.
Yes. What do you want?
Yeah, I'm looking for a map.
I'm looking for a map.
I knew it.
Look, kid.
I'm sick of you would-be treasure hunters coming over here. I just inherited this house 2 months ago, and every single day all I've heard is rap tap tap. Do you have a treasure here? Why can't you people just go away and leave a retired pirate in peace?
Well, prepare to die.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood. Prepare to die.
So, you want a sword fight, do you? Sword fighting's for wimps, weenies, and sissies.
Giving up so easily? Wow, this game's a cinch.
I have a better way to solve a dispute. Real pirates solve their differences with a drinking contest.
Ooh,
Drinking
awesome.
contest?
Come on in. I'll get us set up. This is my special grog. It's just for contests. Twice the alcohol, twice the calories.
Cool.
Hate having to waste it. Here's your drink. From what I'm told, nobody can drink the special contest grog without feeling faint. But I've been practicing. You know, most of the treasure hunters just leave when I ask them to.
With the tree?
But you're persistent.
All gone.
It'll get you places in life, boy. But it won't get you into my house. Are you sure you don't want to
Fuck.
back out?
And then vanilla grog.
No, thanks. I'll be fine.
Well, I need the vanilla grog.
You drink first. Oh, you already drank yours. You must be thirsty.
Of course.
Take mine. I'll go get more. On the ship, we had a drink that we couldn't live without. Tastes just like chicken. But it's got a wonderful aroma. Never could get enough of that stuff.
Pick up that shit.
I could give it up any time I wanted. So I started drinking rum to fill the gap in my life.
With the tree.
Are you sure you don't want to back out?
Ooh.
No, thanks. I can hold my own.
I need to open that envelope first.
You drink first.
No good. Come on.
Novice.
Okay, open that damn envelope thing.
Oh, my head.
Vanilla envelope. What the hell does that get?
It's empty.
Gorilla. Here we go.
There's some near grog in here.
So now we get up there and try again with the new grog in that old thing so that he doesn't notice that I'm, gonna cheat.
Back again.
Yeah.
Let's get this over with. Come on in. I'll get us set up. Don't you know when enough is enough? You know you're not going to beat me. I'm the
So we're
best
gonna
at
beat
this
him?
contest. Well, I guess you're serious about this contest. Here's your drink. You ever tried booze from the West? Makes your lips pucker. But it's got a wonderful aroma. Used to
With the
drink
tree.
barrels and barrels of it.
All gone.
Then my supply ran out. Are you
This-
sure you don't want to back out?
No, thanks. I'll be fine.
You drink first.
With near grog now, so that's no alcohol in it. Your turn.
Now it's your turn.
Ha ha ha! Beat ya! So, I need the thing in the frame. Mirror. Ta-ta! Open the shutters at the right side of the cottage. Open shutters. Here we go. Exit the cottage and use the telescope with a grotesque statue. Let's see. Here we go. push the brick.
A brick is a brick is a brick. I don't want to carry that around. I don't want to carry that around. I don't want to carry that around.
Ah, I need to push.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, that's the one. Hey.
I'm too short.
Let's get back up here.
It won't budge. Whoa! Whoa!
Here we go. Much better.
Yeah, now I got 2 map sections.
Of course.
Yeah, I don't want to touch it.
So now, yeah, we got another map piece. Get the map piece, walk to the hole and arrive at the beach. Walk to the path of the cottage, walk to the path on the map, red ship, and then we need to go to Booty Island, it seems. So Booty Island it is, and you know, that'll be the end of this episode. Pal, we get something done, don't we? I hope.
Where'd you want to go?
Booty Island, man.
Once again.
First a cutscene, though. Yay!
LeChuck, sir, I just wanted to report that we have finished building the new torture chamber you requested.
Very good. Do you have anything else to report?
No. Well.
No. Well, there is one other small little thing.
I assume this has to do with Guybrush's capture?
Yes.
Well, sort of.
You've allowed him to find the second map piece, haven't you? You fool! You ought to ready your ship and sail after him yourself. Find him, or die.
Good. Cool. Well, we end our episodes here. So, thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. And, oh, if you've subscribed, special thanks to you.